You can see all the glass is broken all over.
One particular police officer had a very big stone and they hit my Range Rover.
I've been moving around. Even last week on Sunday, we were being tear gassed by police. But the kind of force that has been used on us today at a place called Gonda is something that we have never seen.
They are pushing us to a situation of no return.
As I was coming out of the church, I was attacked, and it has 2 bullets holes, one on both sides. And I can clearly see, and with a lot of confidence, that they were actually not targeting my legs, as they were ordered. They were actually targeting my head, not legs.
This Sunday, the 27th of July, nikuwa korona vurugu mwenene muno kuria Murang'a, and they were attending a church service in one of the churches in AIPCA. Senator wa Nyandarua ogwetwo Methu atongoretwo ni atongoria angi ma senator na ma MP aria me allied to Rigathi Gachagua, na of course the opposition mauma kanitha kuu Murang'a ni makorirwo of course mabangite rally megukorwo magithikoria na andu. What you are seeing on your screen right now is what really turned out.
Hatuendi.
Very kuma scenes were very shocking. Nedona avginya video mehare ya thoko-ine, one of the markets kule ya Murang'a. Soko zinakuanga hivi kando ya road, ni soko na hii side nyingine. Na kuma rithathi live shikora thukagio kou. You know, atumia a thoko nio mekutengeraga kou. Ndona mbica cia rithathi ci ngari-ini ikiwa imetobwa ngari. Na niko like, what is really happening? What is really happening? By now by thaishi ne jui andu aria marabanga maundu maya, these attacks ni moya ati thaishi maundu ni mararekodwo. We are no longer in those times when maundu tamacio no happen na mundu age ku record kana kwage mundu ukurecord. Right now we are having recordings of everything. I cannot recognize abduction area ya mnoria wa DCP kuri Limuru. Dio shiria thigari icio ni ciamenya hena andu mararecord building ini icio. But the whole video was there online. In fact, that lady was live on TikTok. Na thaishi kuona maundu maya magithi na mbere kuria Murang'a inanyacha na maswali na shanga. Andu aya ni moi hena andu mararecord. Tondu ona in one of those videos nirona kamera ici nene ici cia andu a TV. So na shanga, they know that this will be in the news in the evening. Now of course for ithi ni maugite ni gukorwo na no gukorwo na andu a kamera. Now of course ama walikuwa wamesema hivyo, walikuwa wameambiwa you don't worry about them. So what is the end goal ya maundu maya mothe? Nituona one of the people aria gari yao yakoro ikirathwo akiongea pale hivyo na akisema that William, what do you really want at this point? Todo the moment ona mundu aheto orders akoro akiratha ngari ya mundu, specifically haria mundu ucio akoragwo ikarite, then it shows that there was something that was planned. And the fact that all this was on record ni kuonania maundu maya mothe is all about selling fear and making people wache kukua that extreme with Ruto must go and one term for the fear of wanaweza songeshwa, because diko na gitumi kingi haria ntona bado makiuga ati all these orders cikoretwo ciki execute ni mubunge omwe kou Murang'a. Tocoka toigwa ati in fact ni bodyguard ya one of the MPs in Murang'a. za ndani.
What is more even worse is the fact that this operation was actually led by a bodyguard of one of the members of parliament in MURANG'A County. Bodyguard, he is the one who shot my car twice. The video is there. It is absolutely absurd, unacceptable. And if William thinks that he's going to actually cow us down, if anything, he's putting a lot of energy in us.
Shakuria thini shirauga ni nyarkankang. But why all this drama? Why all this drama? At a point when omodu arauga tha ici niturabatara tukorwo na kuiguana, like imbogi kuje iseme shida yao ni gani, imbogi nyingine kuje iseme this is what we can do, imbogi nyingine kuje iseme, like we all come to a conclusion or an agreement for that matter. But the fact that turona adwaya bado hatire that goodwill, because if there will be goodwill, then totigirona all these dramas zingekuwa zimepunguzwa ndio to allow room for watu waanze kukubaliana for that conclave nini, you get. But with all these dramas iratiga mundu na ciuria nyingi gukira aja. In the meantime, Rigathi Gachagua ni aritie na ni akoretwo agikumithia ndeto ino na the strongest terms possible. In fact, agikorwo hena mundu very unpredictable right now ni Rigathi Gachagua. I'm sure hidire athiaga US, KK people did not expect that athie US ni agukorwo akiendereithia siasa cia Kenya kuu. But it turned out different, that siasa inaendelea as usual. Government is getting real-time answers. Kwa sababu goko wanasiasa Kenya Maria muthenya, US goko gwakinya hwaine, US ni muthenya ni rucini. Gachagua akaigua ria mwatinda mukiuga aka reply. So it's real time, back and forth. This is getting to extreme levels. Na especially at a time when turonire Kalonzo Musyoka, turona Fred Matiang'i, all the name join Rigathi Gachagua kuria US, specifically turonire Fred Matiang'i mena Rigathi Gachagua na nimarai na moshamanio hamwe. This is sending more fears to the KK people. Toni marari guo Matiang'i arauma wira World Bank ko US, kogo ena connection yemwe nene muno ya mbogi ya US. Not only mbogi ya US ya Kenya, but well-connected people in the US. So, seeing Matiang'i with Rigathi Gachagua in the US is causing a lot of trouble in the KK camp. Na gweshira nikyo kura happen maundu maya ni undu wa distraction politics na maundu macio mothe. Anyway guys, ndiwe maoni maku megi uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.